So out in Germany, they got this woven sail company that's building it up. And here in the US, you got some passionate sailors who decided to start a business to, I assume, just, build cooler sails for their own sail ships and figured, well, maybe we can make some money on the side. How did the two kind of come together?
So in 91, the holding company that was the owner of Polyant Sail Class, obviously it's a small world, but we had conversations, and we thought it was good synergies to bring the two companies, the two philosophies, and the two technologies together. Many times when you do acquisitions, you run the risk of 1 + 1 is not 2. But in this case, I think it's safe to say it's 3, if not 4, simply because we complemented each other so well.
In what ways? Like, where did you see the synergies that helped to drive the 1 + 1 = something more than 2? Yeah.
Well, as you said yourself, in United States, we were very passionate about making the very best sail class, and in Germany, very passionate about weaving, industrial excellence, and much more from a production point of view, being excellent and getting to the markets. There's much more volume in the woven polyester, so it's kind of a different mindset as it started out. Of course, we have blended these cultures together very well now, and we have great cultures on both sides of the Atlantic.